A couple months ago, I decided I would do a persuasive speech for my speaking class on cold showers. I had no personal experience with the subject, I kinda just picked it blindly. What I soon realized was that cold showers are something that the majority of people, me included, have missed out on. Hot showers have their mix of benefits and drawbacks, but all of my research showed that cold showers have just as many benefits as hot showers without any noticeable disadvantages. I'd been wanting to make a YouTube video for a while now, but I just didn't know what to make it about. This topic seemed perfect, so I ran with it. So here it is, how cold showers can improve your life. Everyone hates the idea of a cold shower, right? Well, I'm not going to deny that they're uncomfortable, but what I will do instead is talk about all the benefits they offer. For example, they're good for your skin, your heart, and even your mood. What I think prevents many people from taking them is simply their mindset. Hopefully what I share today will be enough to change that. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the benefits you'll get by taking cold showers. First of all, let's think for a second about what hot and cold water does to your skin. If you've ever stuck a finger into boiling water, you probably noticed that your finger became irritated and red. If, however, you stuck your finger into cold water, it wouldn't get burned and would be practically unchanged after it warms back up. In showers, although the water isn't ever boiling or freezing, this effect still applies. In fact, an article from Healthline, linked below, says cold showers give the skin a healthy glow. Going back to the finger example, this shouldn't come as a surprise. One finger is irritated, the other is not. This is because hair and skin both contain moisturizing oils, which are put at risk when exposed to hot water. The effect isn't dramatic in most cases, but may still be the difference between having drier skin or more well-hydrated skin. So if you want your skin and hair to be as healthy as possible, taking cold showers is a step you can take to get there. Now, let's focus on the heart. It may seem pretty crazy that the temperature of your shower has an effect on how your heart functions, but that's exactly the case. And the reason for it all comes down to how your body heals itself. When your skin gets cold, your body sends your blood to the skin to help warm it back up to its normal temperature. This is how it avoids numbness in the skin or, even worse, frostbite. In cold showers, this effect allows your blood to circulate around your body more, keeping everything healthy and lowering your blood pressure. However, taking a hot shower has an opposite effect, drawing your blood toward your core and preventing adequate circulation. This can be more dangerous if you have high blood pressure, which is a possible effect of an unhealthy lifestyle. But what's probably the most shocking physical benefit of cold showers is the effect it has on the immune system. A study done in 2014 found that exposure to the cold causes the release of adrenaline. This is great because adrenaline released in this way helps prevent infection from spreading. And in fact, a Dutch study of 3,000 people over a 2-month period found that those who took cold showers every day reported to work sick 29% less than those who took hot showers. With such a significant result, it's clear that cold showers have a dramatic effect on the immune system. And I don't know if this still applies when you're watching this, but I'll take any opportunity I can get to boost my immune system while this pandemic is still going around. Cold showers are undoubtedly something that takes a lot of resolve to do. Even if you think you have the willpower to do it, you might still back out because of how you know it'll feel. It may seem counterintuitive, but this is actually a good thing. Doing something hard in the morning makes any other work you have to do a little bit easier. This is as opposed to getting used to relaxation in the morning and having that play into everything else you do. When you are able to shower cold though, you'll get a mood boost if you did it without giving up. It should be no wonder then that cold showers can actually reduce symptoms of depression, which was the conclusion of a study from 2008. And in this current age, when rates of depression are higher than they have ever been in the past, being able to do something so simple to help is incredible. Obviously, if you have depression, you should seek help in more ways, but cold showers might help reduce the symptoms a little bit. The closest thing I could find to a negative effect was that cold showers may be too harsh on your immune system if you start taking them either too suddenly or when you already have a cold. So to prevent this from happening, simply start taking cold showers when you're healthy. And when you do start, make sure you take it step by step, increasing the amount of time you're in the cold by, say, 30 seconds each shower, until you reach a normal shower time. So I hope you now see why taking cold showers is so beneficial. The effects they have cause those who take them to be healthier than before in numerous ways. I talked about a few of those ways today, but there are still more. I encourage you to do some research yourself and find out about these. If you want to start taking some cold showers now, go for it. From my personal experience, it's one thing to hear the benefits of them, but a totally different thing to actually feel them. You'll be surprised by how simple it is to do what you couldn't bring yourself to do before.